Hi, if you need an Insignia Car audio remote, you're in the right place because we have them all. All you have to do is click on the link below this video, order this brand new remote, and it'll ship today. Hi, I'm Carrie from electronicadventure.com, where we have over 300,000 remote controls, as you can see in our warehouse. So whatever you order, it's usually ships out the same or next day. And all of our remote controls are brand new, never used or refurbished, and we don't have universals. So there's no codes to input or program. You put the batteries in and you're ready to go. We also want you to buy with complete confidence. So we offer a 30-day, no questions, no hassle return policy. For any reason, return the remote for a full refund. And finally, so you can save some money, when you check out and it asks for a coupon, type in remote and the number 5 and we'll take $5 off your order. So once again, if you'd like to order a remote, go down below this video, click on the link, and it'll be shipped out today. Or you can call the 800 number and speak with one of our friendly, knowledgeable operators. Thanks for shopping with electronicadventure.com.